right, y'all, so here we are 2 days later, and here's the board now. Again, I coated this corner right here. If you look really closely, you can see kind of a clear coating that goes from about the corner almost out to the letter L and then back. So I coated that corner really well to help protect that resistor. So it's all dried and hardened now, so which is really good. I've gone ahead and pulled the light assembly out, and I've pulled the OEM board that I've had in. Now, really quickly, again, as a reminder, we're going to secure the new board here in place and in the correct orientation. And then here's that light guide right here, that plastic light guide. That is the troublemaker. That's the part that's going to scrape that resistor off. So once we get the new board on, we're going to slide it in very carefully. I'm going to try to shift it as far back as I can, and there's very little movement, but I'm going to try to shift it back as I put it in to not scrape that resistor off. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to secure this down. I'm going to use 3M tape again in this case to secure it down, and then I'll get this in place and I'll show you reinstalling it. So as you can see, the new board's in place. It's secured down in the correct orientation with the little cutout here on this one fin. So now, here's the part where you slide this in, you're going to not want to hit that light guide. So as much as you can, you want to try to push the whole assembly backwards as you slide this in. So I'm going to tip the back end in, fit it in just like that. So now I haven't done my passenger side yet, but now is a good time to test it. So let's go ahead and flip the lights on and see what it looks like. All right, success. As you can see, got yellow on both sides. Here's what it looked like when I was half and half. So half yellow, half white. Obviously, I haven't done the passenger side yet. I really did kind of like the half and half there in the beginning, but I really was decided that I wanted to go all yellow. So that went in without a problem. So kind of avoided the mistake that I made that first time. All right, y'all, so all done. And I really hope that this painful lesson that I've learned can help you out when you're doing this install. Now, if I hadn't done the install yet and you watched this video, or if I'd known better, I would have coated the corner of the board, that very first one, before I did the install, and then it wouldn't have been a big deal at all. So I hope that you see this video before you do your install. Now, if you don't, well, I hope that the second install goes better. Now, of course, I really hope that you don't have any problems at all. You do the install and you wonder why I busted so many boards. I hope you're that successful. But if you do make a mistake like I did, hopefully you only make one where I made a bunch. So I hope you can learn from my tough lesson.